Having trouble with a garage door opener that won't work? If you need fixes done in Roca, Nebraska, Omaha Garage Door Repair is the company to call. Whether it's a wiring or opener wall control issue, we can figure out what's wrong and fix it. Enjoy the ease of a garage door that works perfectly. Get on with your day, and don't let opener troubles get in the way. Need a quick fix and peace of mind? Dial 402-819-5158 and get help right away.